Join me as I challenge myself to explore the beautiful city of Venice in just 3 days. Can I see all the must-visit spots and still soak in the magic of this amazing place? In this video, you'll discover how to make the most of your 3-day trip to Venice, highlighting key attractions, hidden gems, and local experiences. With so much to see and do in Venice, it can be overwhelming to plan your itinerary. You might be wondering what to prioritize, what to skip, and how to make the most of your limited time. The city is full of narrow streets, canals, and ornate bridges, making it difficult to navigate. It's easy to get lost in the romantic atmosphere and forget about the logistics. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to get stuck in a charming piazza, sipping coffee and watching the world go by? But with a little planning, you can experience the essence of Venice, even in just 3 short days. The key is to prioritize, be intentional with your time, and know where to look for the hidden gems. That's what this video is all about, helping you make the most of your 3-day trip and taking home unforgettable memories. Planning a trip to Venice can be daunting, but with the right approach, you can see all the must-see sights, experience the local culture, and still have time to wander and get lost in the city's unique charm. So, let's dive in and explore how to make the most of your 3-day adventure in Venice. We'll break down each day with a suggested itinerary including must-see landmarks like St. Mark's Basilica, unique neighborhoods like Cannaregio, and tips on how to navigate the canals. On day 1, we'll explore the famous San Marco district, taking in the grandeur of St. Mark's Square and the imposing Campanile. We'll also visit the Doge's Palace, the former residence of the Venetian rulers, and explore the charming narrow streets of the Castello district. On day 2, we'll venture into the Cannaregio neighborhood, known for its vibrant atmosphere, picturesque canals, and historic Jewish ghetto. We'll explore the Rialto Market, a bustling hub of fresh seafood, fruits, and vegetables, and visit the iconic Rialto Bridge, which offers stunning views of the Grand Canal. In the evening, we'll take a romantic gondola ride, watching the city lights twinkle to life as the sun sets. On day 3, we'll visit the beautiful island of Murano, famous for its colorful glass-making traditions. We'll take a vaporetto ride along the Grand Canal, passing by iconic landmarks like the Ca' Rezzonico. We'll also explore the charming Campo Santa Marina, a hidden gem with a beautiful church and a lively atmosphere. The highlight of your trip will be experiencing a gondola ride at sunset, offering breathtaking views of the city as it lights up. There's something magical about gliding through the canals, watching the city come alive with twinkling lights, and feeling the soft breeze on your skin. It's the perfect way to unwind and take in the beauty of Venice. As the sun dips below the horizon, you'll realize why Venice is one of the most romantic cities in the world. The soft glow of the streetlights, the gentle lapping of the water against the canals, and the sweet serenades of the gondoliers will leave you enchanted and wanting more. The gondola ride is more than just a mode of transportation. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave Venice. It's a chance to slow down, take in the sights, and let the city's magic wash over you. So be sure to prioritize this experience on your trip and make it a highlight of your 3-day adventure. To wrap up, we've covered the essential activities and sights for a memorable 3-day visit to Venice, ensuring you won't miss out on the city's charm. From the famous landmarks to the hidden gems, we've explored it all, and I hope you're as excited as I am to start planning your trip. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out our other travel videos and let us know your favorite Venice experience in the comments below.